Going hard. We're hardly going. We're going hard. We're hardly going. Can we get this done? Car cart. Um, you, host. We need to say. Funk enter tree if lobby system dot current host set multiplayer authority current lobby host to do int. Oh. Root. Let's do that here too. Does it have a? It has a thing in there, right? Oh, it's me. Everyone, welcome. Yes, we're walking on a treadmill. No, you can't be as cool as me. It's not happening. Am I talking to myself? Yes, I am talking to myself. Am I imagining chatters? Thank you for the 100 bits. Just fucking with you. Fucking with who? No one. No question. Powerful, Andrew. Powerful. It's a minecart. Grab it. Run this way. Everything's working perfectly. Guess what? Everything's working perfectly. We just got to get those. Woo! Here we go. Whee! That one. To-do list, everyone. Um, think about that. I'll be right back. Um, Hmm. Oh, this is awful. Let's do a pickup component. Let's do the same thing up here. Let's just do this. Let's just bite the bullet. On tree enter? Is that really true? Enter tree. Da-da-da-da. We're streaming, baby. We're streaming. The Git peer? What was the global? What was the global one? Multiplayer peer. Oh boy, what a dumbass. How did I fuck that up so bad? Cart route. If well, that should I mean this one assumes that we are that peer, right? That assumes we are that peer. Correct? Because that would be the only way we have that peer, so it could be just this. Did we ever think of that? Could be that simple. Let's try it out. It's a disaster? It's kind of a disaster. We have failed. Failed horribly somehow. Let's try again. it's time for bed. All right. Did find. Nice. Okay. You. Failed. Just do this. You. It's hella null, folks. Hella null. We are all null about that. We do enjoy a good... Excuse me? I can have it. Can you have it? You can't have it. It's mine. It's mine forever. Why didn't you have it? I'll drop it for you. Do you want it? What do you think that means? So we're sending and receiving it, but we're never setting... Because I am now not the host or the... I mean, it's not processing on mine because that physics process thing, I think... pick up component enters here. Set multiple authority player pickup. So this should follow me now. It should forever follow me. Okay. Okay. If owner player and parent pickup body. This is not true. I think is this running? Right. So I have successfully not done the right RPC here. Yeah. So in this case, what's happening is the pickup is being called here. My remote sender, this is my remote sender idea. Print. See the physics, that should be rearranged there. Did not refresh that script at all. It's good to... Fuck! Okay, they made it then somehow. Yep, still not me. It's me. Oh my gosh, I'm not... That's mine. Why did you get to do it? You shouldn't be doing that. Wow, I think we just have to restart there. We could go down to 2 for this sort of thing. Nope. Mine. Yep. Okay. So in this case... think it's this. If this, we also do this. Right here. This is me. I just RPC. I RPC. And this is just me. Print me. So I'm the only one who's allowed to press that button. Yeah, it's one. Okay. So me comes through once. That's perfect. But he's also taking control of it. But why? Because so when I call overlapping interact on pickup, the request pickup goes through. Any peer, call local, reliable. We say if is multiplayer authority. Maybe that's what we need. It's like backwards for some reason now. Maybe because I left it in a bad state. Theoretically, this should help. I can no longer drop. I never got to beat it. I never got to be me. This. Multiplayer authority request pickup. And then owner peer ID. Does this whole thing. Not everybody hears that. Everyone should respect him. Okay, let's drop a rock in here. This is really bad, guys. This is really bad. Because we have a playtest tomorrow. And if none of this shit works, what's the point, right? And we're just making it worse by adding these unnecessary things. On the other hand, if we get this working, it'd be great. I joined twice, but whatever. I started in the cart. Okay. Okay, so we know it's something wrong with just the cart. All right, that's not great. I think we do this. We go here and we say, I want you to get this. I think we have to get rid of this. We have to go like this. Let's just. That could be helpful. All right, then we're gonna do crystal. So let's make a little list. So we're gonna do shake, collect more. All right, that's what the people want. I still can't pull it, but why? Come on over here. And now when I go up to this thing, the order of operations here is I enter tree. I cannot pick up. What about this thing? Just get rid of this. Delete you. Cart root. Root. We don't need it, delete it. Pickup component will now work. No one owns this thing. No one is syncing this thing that I know of, because all these things would mean that like no one is syncing it. So it shouldn't work. Nothing should work here. So that's fine. We'll take it from there, right? Yeah, I walked right through it. I can pick it up now. Can he pick it up? He's got some authority over it. He's got authority over his. So I think what's happening is that when we pick this thing up, we're not, I think the recursive nature of, I think set multiplayer is not tracking. That's exactly what it is. Okay. So that is the solution right here. Okay. So pull and hitch, I think just pull needs to be able to be set in a different way. So we add a multiplayer synchronizer. Not that. This is it. We fixed it. Everyone get excited. Multiplayer synchronizer. And we check out pull. And we go position. And then we check our multiplayer synchronizer. We don't know what it is. It says pull, position, and linear. That's it. Okay. Linear. Oops. Delete. Okay, so this is what we'll do. I think we'll do a screenshot and then a project restart, and then we're going to build these up, and we're going to build them up a little differently. We're going to go here, and the hitch, rope, pin joint, this, all this, these are going to be on something else. Having two different authorities here is very interesting. So let's keep these, and then we'll delete this one, delete that one. We say multiplayer synchronizer, and we say pull position, and then pull sync. We say pull linear. Okay. The others aren't grabbables. Now I shall be able to go to car. This is fine. And we can roll this back. This should always be, no one can take away if is multiplayer authority. It's always the host here. Okay. Now, we take the pull sync, and that is different because we can, yeah, now that's on a different set of things. And did we change anything in here? Did we change anything in here? We did not. Let's get rid of this me. Did we change anything in here? We did not. This is fine. Pickup component. This, enter tree. All right. How much money you want to say I can pick this up? Oh, yeah, let's go. Follow me. Get on in, buddy. All right, the rest. Uh-oh. Okay, there he goes. It's floating around. I'm floating out there. I think something missing here. I think the tracked velocity is the issue, or what? What's the issue here? This is unusual. We don't get this behavior elsewhere, right? Oh, I think I've got to have control over the hitch as well. I've got to have control over this whole fucking thing when I pick up. Yeah. Because now my hitch is on another instance. Here we go. Pull. Linear. Pull. Position. Car. You. Minecart vehicle. Wait, no, that's what I was. Minecart. Minecart. Root. Next. Attach a script. Right here in the cart. Minecart root. Whenever pickup label. All right. So here we go. You. Whenever this fucker right here changes, I don't want that weak ass shit. I want the good one. I want to hold command, click, and drag. Pick up component. On peer owner change. I connect. 0. Update. Sync. Don't speak to me in this process, please. Otherwise, I will fuck up. Because these are multiple pieces, new peer, and void. We don't want to capitalize void. I'm going to say set multiplayer authority. New peer. If new, well, we could just do this. We say if, yeah, we want to make it generic. So if new peer 0, do this. Ew, okay, you've done it. That could be that simple, everybody. It could be that easy. It could be. It might be. We're going to test over here the lobby host first. Okay, I'm the host. Here we go. It's coming with me. It's coming with me pretty good. All right, stop. You, pick it up. It's coming with me. Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Come on over here. Now, stop. Let it go. Host, your turn to ride. Peer, let's ride. Hell yeah, here we are. We're going. Now, is it smooth? No. Does it need to be perfect? No. All right. Swap roles. All right. Host, your turn to pick it up. Here we go. Come on for a ride, buddy. Whee! It's a little jitter, but what does it matter? Tools I have provided here are fun. Now, can't deny. These other brothers can't deny when good networking is in your face. You know, that's how we go. It's Friday night. We're partying, okay? We all are going to party. It's called a programming party. Getting lit off this shit. It's called hydrogenated oxygen. Holy shit, they're huge. That's pretty funny. Um, I think because I did the crystal is on a previous implementation of the pick up and throw solution. So all we got to do is jump on over here and yeah, we just drop in our pickup component and we point it at this and we need a sound. We'll go get a sound for it as well. Crystal. Yeah, I really like that. Feeling good about that. We want a box shape. And we'll just throw that on here. It's a beautiful little box. And we'll just, you know, the vector copy here doesn't always work, but we're going to try it. Copy value, 4.44. So paste, worked. It's very nice that that worked. Just perfect. Dab, dab, boy, dabbing in the chat. How far have we gone? We have gone 3 miles today total, but we did 1.5 earlier. We are going to do another mile because our leg is feeling good because we do our PT on time. And then I'm going to take a shower. Then I'm going to go to bed. Myself. Helps to hype me up. No one's here, but I like to do it. It is a little bit sad, but I'm having the most fun possible. You want me to mute this microphone? Eat the rind and everything, right? I mean, that's just amazing. That's like, and then he says, cake is great. It's so delicious and moist. And I said, just like brie. No one has said anything yet. I'm kind of all alone. It's kind of, usually I have a few chatters on a Friday, but I think, yeah, I had a lot of people earlier in the week, and, sometimes you got it, sometimes they're busy. Uh, yeah, I think it's about time to sit. My little knees are. I was confident, but based on the wear and tear. That's okay. You did. In fact, you were the impetus behind starting my knee PT, which is really good. Yep, we're gonna do that. And then we're going to decorate. Which are your Christmas tree if you want? What should I drop? Ornaments? Okay, absolutely. I could bet I could whip up a Christmas tree if you want one in the game. You want one? Okay. It's a great point. Oh my. Okay, we've got a crystal node here. Let's interact. I don't know. Um I know. I used to clean the bathroom. I don't know where I put them, but I'll find one for you. There's some in here. Yeah. And your desires of the original role.
You put them in your coffee mug? Okay.
The order of the world has been restored.
Oh gosh, I love the order of the world being restored.
I'm so glad.
Yeah, don't complain about it later.
I will, but only on the 25th thing. Every 25 things you ask me to find. It's like a little internal counter in my brain. And on the 25th thing, I can lose it. No, it's not. But nor is it my fault that things change.
Is it your fault that things change?
Okay, I won't put anything away anymore. Okay. I think we could. Lord God, help me.
I know. Please help me.
Oh, you're right. Thank you for the tip. Hello, that Kadood. We are working on a multiplayer game here. We're tidying up something with the scripts. Got a mushroom game here. We're gonna make some Minecraft happen. We're just basically building Minecraft. Okay. Yeah. Yep. We're just gonna build the whole thing. Cool. Yeah, it is. It's fun. I've had a blast making this thing. I say is in group. Okay, if it's in group players or body is in group. Interactables. Not a great name for a group, but we're going to say body dot global position equal global position plus vector. We're just going to do this. We're going to say, hey, pop yourself back up to the surface because you're too deep. Vector 3, 0.0 slash, I don't know, 20. Throw them up in the air. Okay? This will be a good test. So what is this going to do? When we've got a lobby system, so we connect via these lobbies, and we can have up to as many players as our network can handle. And we'll start this game up. Here we all are. We are having a blast. And see, this is a crystal vein. We can mine that shit. I don't know where they're flying in from, but good enough for government. Put it in the big mine cart. Oh, there's one left. Nice. This thing doesn't have any collision, I just realized. So we have this mine cart here. Let's drag it around. And we had an issue when we were loading rocks into the mine cart that you can even put a player in there. Then we can pull him around. Should I make the rope white again? Because it kind of looked better white, didn't it? It's just like more visible. Let's see. What color should our rope be? Should it be more like rope colored? Let's do 0 on that. That should help. And then is it like a brown or a tan or a... Let's see if we can find a brown. Here we go. See what that looks like in game. Oh yeah, that's definitely better, right? It's not like, it should be darker maybe. Actually, I kind of like that. It just kind of shows up well. You were working on a shadow-themed 2D RPG that started in Game Maker a few days ago. You have created 229 items in total, folders and files. Fascinating. I do not know much about Game Maker, but if you like making 2D games, you should definitely give Godot a good shot, because from all accounts, not just me, Godot is very good at 2D and very easy to learn. Very little scripting you need to do. There's a lot of things that are done automatically. And just, give it, try something out. Watch a tutorial, watch a Brackies, or I don't know how a file count really relates to how hard your project or easy the project will be, but we'll see. All right, look at that. It just it's like really, excuse me. It's not really wanting to carry a rock. It'll carry a player, but it does not want to carry the rock. Okay. It's like, I'm too heavy. I think because there it goes. There, let's. All right. Let's try to crush this rock into the ground. See if it'll come back. So you can get an object to tunnel if you keep stepping on it enough, maybe. I'll make some digging. Yeah, I have Godot installed. I just haven't gotten around to learning a new engine yet. Pretty big, considered my last game was 120 items. So you just started a few days ago and you're moving really fast. You know exactly what you want to do. Then maybe, yeah, you can stick to that engine and create stuff really, really great. Whatever works for you, whatever tools and workflows are most productive and most comfortable in. Up, there it goes. Now, will it come above us when it hits that thing? Didn't really return to the surface, did it? All right. Any errors? What do we do about that? I don't think we attached it to our environment here. Kill zone says monitoring monitorable this world boundary shape. That could be an issue. I don't think this happened at all. And body entered connect. So I feel like anybody would enter this and then it's not disabled. It has all these selected. All right. So there's only one way to find out. We are going to test with one instance offline. Our project has multiple ways of connecting built in. Oh my lord, there I am. I just fall through the gaps there. That was crazy. I got half a mind. I got half a mind. Oh, there goes. It did not trigger. It's pretty disappointing. What could be the reason? This thing is below us, right? Yeah, it's down there. It's not very far down there. It's attached. It says ready. Body entered connect. Return to surface. This. All right. Well, let's say, there we go. Body entered ZZZ. And now let's turn off our player. On his we can delve into the remote debug of our session. We can go to session 1, and this is pretty cool because we can actually just like pick the character out of the world, and we can tell him to fall through the earth. You see how we've now selected him? We can tell him to fall through the earth by changing his collision mask. Ah, okay, he's definitely hitting the boundary. He's not going very far. That's the problem. He's stuck down there forever. So the thing I should do with this script, did he get to the surface? No, he fell past it. I think I didn't add enough. I thought maybe I need I need to transport him to not where he was plus this, but where the surface is, which is 0. Yeah, that makes sense. So we'll try this. Because he's so deep, he still didn't get to the surface. So we need his X and his Z to be where he was, but his Y value we're going to override to 20. So now when he falls through the earth, he shall fall appropriately. You. All right, you ready for him to fall? I'm back on the surface. I think we need to give him a little extra height. So let's do 40. And then interactables is definitely a group, right? All right, it is. So now all of our interactables should you know, return to the surface right where they are if they fall through. There it goes. Will it fall on me? Just gone. It's disappointing. Mushroom test fell through too. So, any clues as to why they didn't end up back on the surface? They triggered. They didn't meet this. Body is in group. This body is definitely. Because we didn't see ZZ. Pick up component. Oh my god. You're fucking me. Jesus Christ on a stick. If the area entered. I'll just copy this for areas. And we'll be good to go. This is bad, but we'll. I don't expect to keep this, but this would solve our issue. Wait, we don't need to do this twice, but we do need the comma that says it's fragile. Okay. I think we've earned ourselves a snicky snacky. What do you guys think? A snicky snacky allowed? Not allowed? I don't know what alert command does, but you have fun with that. Should do something right. All right, so players definitely do this. Let's say this. I'm not going to say this is fragile anymore. It's perfect because it's now referencing that class. Pick up parent body dot position, global position. Just do this. Pick up dot body is dot pick up parent body. All right, now when we crush an item through the world, it'll return to the surface through a circuitous path called return to surface. Just gotta smack it enough. I was pretty confident that was going to work. Oh, no, it's not monitorable. Fuck. We have to do it like this. Let's try that one. Pickup area. Go to the rock. It says pickup area. Go to the mushroom. Come on, rock, fall from the sky. Why would you want a rock to fall from the sky? So that if a player loses something through the ground, it will return to them. Fuck, the rock just came back to me. That's what I wanted, right? Just falls down. Smush these to the ground. I cannot. I wonder what's particular about the rock that... Oh, there it goes to the ground. It's raining crap. This is not a foolproof system, but... Okay. We did well there. Crystal. Yes, a little snicky snacky is in order. Snicky snack was denied. There's nothing we can do about that. We'll just have to file a petition. Yeah, I mean... what we need to do is we need to monitoring. How do we freeze this thing, hide, and then we also need to hide our collision. Say get collision. Right? We can say this is a collision shape 3D. Okay. We can be reasonably sure that no one's like, there we are. All right. So now we should be able to activate this thing 5 times and it should disappear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can kick these out of the way. The rock is now way too far away for its size. We're gonna make that mass even lower. We'll make it, yeah, I mean 8. Okay, great. 8 is good. Now we pick this thing up and we say your pickup component is now offset forward 1.5 and then offset vertical 0.2. Okay. So when that happens and you make a new thing, it's gonna bring it closer to the player. I don't like that flying in space animation that I get when I join. Is it too close now? It's a little too close, right? So let's pump it out a little. Offset forward is going to be 1.8. Okay. The mushroom is also way too far away. Mushroom test. Let's do, what is it? Offset forward is 2. Fine. Let's go 1.8 as well. Oh, Lord. Let's make break distance a little lower too, right? Just double. Try that out. We would like to break a little sooner. Yeah, this is looking good. I cannot break this thing. Let's see if I can break it in here. Yeah, that's good. If it struggles, at least, yeah, if it struggles a little bit, we'll break it. So what's the crystal at? Okay, that's good enough for Grumman. Maybe let's give it a little. Nah, yeah, let's give it a little. Let's give it a little boop. Permission to Stinky Snack, sir. It's been denied, guys. Sorry.
Doing that to yourself.
I am. I'm just playing around on my stream.
Okay, well, don't blame
I'm not. I'm blaming nothing on you. I don't blame anything. It's my choice to be naughty or nice. Well, 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 if it isn't the consequences of my own actions. Well, none of these have synchronizers, so. Uh-oh. How do we reason about this? I can't just say not put rocks in the car. Because everyone wants to put rocks in the car. That's what you do with the cart. You put rocks in it. Maybe we can make it so that the car is stronger.
Cart stronger.
You increase its mass to 1,000.
But wouldn't that also make it heavier?
It's super heavy now.
And you can't bounce it around and pull it.
It still just bugs out.
I feel like we've been working on this cart for a week.
Exactly 2 days.
This poor cart.
Julie says I've been working on the cart for 2 weeks. I was extrapolating. I'm going to make a YouTube short about the cart. And it'll make 1 million views. And then Julie will be like, wow. But until that happens, the cart is going to be deleted.
Why? You can't do the cart right now?
Well, the only thing I can do is I could freeze the rock and have it float above the cart without crushing it. Oh. Let's try that. Hello, area 3D. And now we're going to say, you can do whatever you'd like as long as you can defend it.
Defend?
Yes,
From what?
from attacks. Just in a silly mood is all. If you're in my territory, you might be attacked. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so now the cart has a new set of things. It will be called load area. So when you load it, this is something I wanted to do before the playtest. If it could work, it would be pretty darn cool. On load item. Whenever an area entered, if area dot is in group. Or what if we just say is pickup component? There we go. That's even more. This is so smart, Andrew. Why? Why are you so smart? How did you do this? Where did this come from? Who gave you that?
Very unstable floor.
Can I remove this from the equation? Is that better?
Oh, the floor is stable now.
The number of times I've helped Julie,
You're my hero.
I've cleaned the working area for her, I've suggested things, I've made her life better. It's just got to be in the high 20s.
Like here?
No, maybe 15, 30. No, just like number of times that's happened. Or maybe 100. Maybe hundreds of times. Actually, thousands. Any little things. Yeah, makes more sense. Yeah, just count them all. Anyway, back to this. We are going to get the area that. Ooh, does it? It knows. Oh my god, it's so smart. Oh my god, this is the best day ever. Freeze. Oh, then no, it could be a rigid body or a bigger body. Wait a second. I think we could just call freeze on it. That would be really funny. I think it needs to listen to it needs to look for collisions on area monitor area let's say mask layer global layer dot interactable. Okay, just do that. Now try again, Andrew. You're just so quick and so smart and just so handsome and just so beautiful. I don't know how it happens. It didn't work though. I think because monitorable is off, so we do need to evaluate monitorable. No, internet's monitor. This is a mystery. Right? Hmm. Am I not on this layer? I'm on existing on this layer, set collision layer. I cannot detect things from there. So when I have this minecart root, is it because he can't see stuff? Let's say, what is, I think because this guy can't see it. Let's say I'm gonna, oh, I'm saying get? Oh my God. That could have been a long-term bug. That was pretty bad. I didn't even put true here. That was a big. Okay, that's strike one, everybody. Strike one for Andrew's an idiot. We cannot freeze. Um, if we have to figure out how to name these rocks. God damn it. Now we're listening for too many. I think that's just the only one we have to worry about. So we'll say if pickup and area dot name not equal pull. We can print that. Let's do that. Should always. How do we freeze this thing? A rigid body can't freeze? Really? Oh. It's an area. What's the problem here? Is it myself? A rigid body? What's this happening at the beginning, huh? What is this thing? What is the name of this thing? It is... car pull. I told it not to say pull. Oh, this. Stupid. Strike two, baby. Okay. Pull this over here. Stop it. Put this in here. How come a rigidity, this pick a parent body is a rigid body? Oh, it's not a, no, it's not a function. True. It's perfect. That's not a strike, everybody. Okay. How do I get the magnitude of a vector in the direction which this thing is entered?
I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out if it does not fall over.
All right, we have one person answering. It says, we need the dot vector. Okay. Could get the length here. It's just a direction to in 3D space. So that would be pretty easy then, right? As long as we have the pick a parent body, we need to record its current offset essentially. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so let's say var dist equal pick a body area. All right, body dot this direction dot global position dot direction to, and then ourselves, or we can swap that. Okay, let's do that. Our current Minecraft vehicle would be global position, right? Direction to and distance to, so we need both because it's normalized.
What would Minecraft program with?
They program with a language called Java. This is a good sneaky snacky. It's called a tall glass of water. Um, it's not as tasty as a bowl of cereal or yogurt. It's not, but it's also not illegal. Okay. So let's just print these. Where's this happening? Dang, it is a little bit chilly tonight. I don't know what we're gonna do about that. Now we have to make sure this thing, um, I'm sure there's a shortcut for this, but we're not going to discover it. Okay, so that does not look accessible from above. There we go. All right, and so then loaded items. Does this work? Can I destructure item? Does that? This be crazy if it works. It's gone, friends. It's gone.
Did it work?
No, it decided to peace on out. Oh, I think that it's not actually all that different than what I thought. I just needed to do our relative. So relative to us, because we took the measurement earlier, we need to add ourselves to that measurement or else we'll have a offset error. Get in there. Oh yeah, there we go. That's actually kind of adorable. Something's a little wrong with it though. I think we need to turn collision off. We're not colliding with it anymore. Do you need some help, bud?
No, I don't need help. This shit is not working.
Yeah, he's a piece of I mean, he's a good plant that just needs a little destruction. If you don't have the right tools, we can pick them up at Home Depot tomorrow. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, this has to be an RPC. What about that? How about, what do you think of that idea? Consume. Are RPCs remote by default? Reliable by default? I don't really know the answer, but I put this on here to make. I think I'll feel better about it if I do. Press free the RPC. Just do this. Sender remote sender ID if player dot. I am getting very good at this. We need to also put this. There's a little bit of host action there. Actually, you know what? I think somebody else can have control over this, so we have to actually do it this way, I think. Try that. Oh, I'm self, so like it shouldn't affect anything. I'm the only one who can do this, right? So why didn't that work? Let's freeze, pick up everybody, freeze. Yeah, if it doesn't work on this RPC pure. Oh, there's no call local on that. We need to add that. All these must be call local, which makes sense. Now I don't really get it. Everybody freeze. This should freeze. It's frozen. It's pretty cute. Yeah, they definitely need to turn their Do you think that will work, anyone? Do we need a 32-bit thing, or is 0 truly like um absolute 0? Like no collision ever. What do you think? Okay, that just feels weird. Just absolute crushing. Just crushes so hard that it just crushes through the ground. It's still monitoring on those. I have to get collision shape, but I don't know what the collision shape will be ahead of time. That rock is definitely in the way. Next. I still think this could crash, but try not to crash. I think another thing is that we should just not receive any kind of. We have these on 1, right? I think this is part of the problem. So let's take him off 1 and put him on his own layer, like 2, right? So that's just how he is. He can't be pushed around. Okay, he's back. He's not there. He's out of here. Oh, that's how that works. Okay, okay. I think maybe we need to remove him colliding on existing on 1, maybe. Let's try that. Going real fast there. I think this needs to. Well, that's bizarre. So this thing is like really just. Let's try that. Just some special cases for some special boys. Now it really can't be arsed. Now when I knock this thing, oh, it's still collide. Oh man, this thing is just absolutely messing that up. That's okay. Okay, we have to figure out how to not apply velocity, and that thing shouldn't have any collision. Fuck. Oh, here it is. Player. Allow push. Okay, we need to remove that. Oh, we need to take mask here. That's a pretty bad mistake. And then we'll just also do player. Yeah, this is a little bit. Yeah, that's actually the best idea I've ever had. Because none of this is really working. But when you got a deadline, you know.
You have a deadline?
Yep. My deadline is tomorrow, baby.
Are you gonna stay up late?
Absolutely not. It's 9 o'clock. I'm gonna work until 9:45. I'm going straight to bed. We are actually going to undo basically the last 20 minutes of work.
What?
Unfortunately, that's just how things do. You try something, it worked okay, but then you think of a much better way to do it.
Oh gosh, sounds like her thing.
Huh?
Sounds like her.
Yeah, undo all your work, buddy. Undo it all. Uh, let's check. Anybody here? Anybody here? Top fans, participants. Oh, nope. Nobody is here. Might be a good time to wrap it up. It's lonely, mildly discouraging.
Why?
Because it would be nice if somebody was here. But at least I have one viewer. Woo.
Not really viewing, but
Yes, one. I have one fan.
I am keeping you company. I'm sorry I said mean things. I am being very supportive.
I'm gonna end my stream, guys. Thanks for hanging out. None of you are here now, but